Hello everyone, let's see how you can hide like counts on Instagram. So firstly, navigate to the Instagram app on your device. Open the app and you will land to the home page. From the bottom panel, tap on your profile icon. On your profile section, click on any post where you would like to hide the like count. In the post, tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner. After that, this kind of menu will open. Here you will see these two options, hide like count and hide share count. Select the option hide like count. Now you will see a notification like this. This means that your like count won't be shown to other people. Now if this feature isn't available on your device, then make sure to check for updates. For that, open Play Store on your device and search for the Instagram app. If you see any kind of updates available for Instagram, then make sure to update it. After updating, restart your device and see if the option is available. That's all for today. Thank you.